Hi there, welcome once again, and this is the time for learning how to add text in video using Adobe Premiere Pro. This is one of the essential things because you may have to add text many times in your videos, and this is the lesson where we are going to learn how to add text in videos. So let me show you an example. This is a video clip from our exercise file and it was an intro clip. So let me play this one.
Hi there, I am Stephen Coyle Shard.
You can take a look. Here is a text and we are going to learn in this lesson how you will add this text or how you will add a lower third text in videos. So let me play once again.
And I'm a graphics and a web expert. This is a class about Adobe Photoshop.
Okay, so this is the example how you will add the text in videos, and we are going to learn these things. So let's take a look. So we have to import a video clip from our exercise file, and here is the file menu. Here is the import option. And I want to import this intro clip 1, and you just have to select it and then you have to click open. Okay, cool. So let me place this intro clip 1 video file in our timeline. Okay, so this is the video file and I want to place the text in this video clip. And how you will do that? You can do that very easily. You just have to use this type tool. So this is the type tool, and using this type tool you will be able to type any text over here. So let's start with the type tool. Before using the type tool, I want to delete some extra area from this clip, so I want to delete it from here. Okay, cool. So I want to delete this first part, and that's why I have to use the razor tool. So here is the razor tool, and let me delete this area. I have to use the selection tool. Let me select this first splitted clip and you just have to press delete. Okay, cool. So let me delete this empty part. Cool. So right now I am going to use the type tool. So here is the type tool. After clicking on type tool, you have to place the mouse where you want to place your text on your video. So I want to place the text at left bottom. So let me click with my left mouse button. Okay, cool. So let me write my name as an example, Stephen Coyle Soren. Okay, so this is my name, and you can take a look. We have a nice text over here, but we want to modify the text, and to modify we have to enable the essential graphics. Before enable the essential graphics, let me show you some things. That we have a new graphics over here, and this is appeared for the text. So right now it's appeared in the start of this video. So if you want to move this text at middle, or if you want to appear, or if you want to show this text after 15 seconds or 30 seconds or wherever the duration you want, you can place it. Like I want to show this text after 15 seconds. Okay, you can take a look. Right now we don't have any text over here, but when the video will cross after 15 seconds, then the text will be appeared. So let me play this clip.
About this is the perfect class for you.
Okay, you can take a look. Right now the video cross 15 seconds and then the text is appeared. So this is how you will set the appearance of your text in the video. Okay, so let's customize the text, and that's why we have to enable the essential graphics. And to enable the essential graphics, you just have to go for Windows menu, and then you will get this enable essential graphics. So to enable, you just have to click over here. Okay, this is the tab for essential graphics, and as we are going to customize or modify this text, that's why we have to go for edit. So this is the edit option, and this is my settings of the text. So let's customize. if you want to change the font, then you can change it from here. Here is the text option, and from the text option you can choose any font from your software. So I can go for ethnocentric. Okay, this is the ethnocentric font and I want to use it for the text font. So let me select it. And we can take a look. The style of my text is changed because I changed the font, and right now I am using ethnocentric and it really looks much better than before. Okay, so this is the appearance option. If you want to apply any background for this text, you can enable it. And to enable the background, you just have to tick mark, or you just have to check the background option. So let me click over here. And you can take a look. We have a background for our text, and here is the appearance or opacity percentage. Right now we have 70% opacity, but if you want to decrease or increase the opacity, you can do that. Let me decrease the opacity of background. Okay, you can take a look. We have a light background for here, but if you want to go for hard, then you just have to increase the percentage of opacity. So let me go for 100%. Okay, cool. Right now we have the hard background opacity, but I don't think it looks good. So I want to reduce the opacity. Okay, 50% is good. Then we have some transparent view, and we have some transparent text and background as well. Okay, if you want to change the color of your text, then you have to use the fill option. Right now we have a white fill color, so if you want to change it, you can do that easily. You just have to click on this white color, then the color picker tab will be appeared, and from here you can pick any color. Suppose I want to go for red color. Okay, I want to select this color, and after selecting this color, let me click OK. Okay, you can take a look. The color of our text is changed, and if you want to apply any stroke, you can do that easily. So here is the stroke option. You just have to enable, or you just have to check the stroke box. Okay, right now we have the red color stroke, but if you want to change the color, you just have to select the option. You just have to click on the color, then the color picker will be appeared. So I want to pick some white stroke. So let me select the white color. Okay, you can take a look. We have the white color selected, and now let me click OK. And you can take a look. A slight stroke is applied to the text, but if you want to increase the size of text, you have to increase the text width. So right now we have 1 point, but I want to go for 5 point. Okay, right now we have the good stroke in our text. Okay, cool. So we have some good customization for our text, and let me close the essential graphics tab. And to close this tab, you just have to click on this icon, and then here is the close panel option. So let me click on this close panel option. Okay, cool. So right now we have the text over here. So let me play this one.
Hi there, I am Stephen Coyle-Shorn, and I'm a graphics and a web expert.
Okay, the text is disappeared. When the graphics part is crossed, then the text will be disappeared. But if you want to increase the duration of the text, then you can do that easily. So in that case, you just have to select the text graphics, and then you have to place your mouse at the end of the graphics. Then you have to pull this graphics to the area where you want to show your text. So you can take a look. We have a long duration for our text, and let me play it from the beginning.
Hi there, I am Stephen Coyle-Shorn, and I'm a graphics and a...
You can take a look. We have a long duration for the text. Okay, so let me reduce the duration. Okay, cool. So right now we have till 4 seconds. Here is the duration. We have till 4 seconds for the appearance of our text. If you want to apply any transition in the text, you can do that easily. Likewise, I want to apply some dissolve animation in the text, and that's why I have to go for effects tab. So here is the effects tab, and from the effects tab I want to go for the video transitions, as I want to apply the cross dissolve transition in the text. And let me clear the search bar. Okay, so here is the video transitions folder, here is the dissolve folder, and here's the cross dissolve. So I want to add the cross dissolve at start and at end. So let me place this cross dissolve transition at first. Okay, you can take a look, the cross dissolve transition is added to the first, and let me add this cross dissolve at end. Okay, cool. You can take a look, we have some in and out transition effect to this text. So let me play this clip.
Hi there, I am Stephen Coyle Shorn and I am a graphics and a web expert.
Okay, you can take a look, the cross dissolve video transition effect is applied to the text. Okay.
Hi
Here is
there,
in,
I am Stephen Coyle Shorn and I am a graphics and a web
and
expert.
here is out. So we have the nice transition applied to the text. So this is how you will apply text in Adobe Premiere Pro, and this is how you will customize, and this is how you will apply the transition in text. So let's have some practice.